In this practical example we will review some of the commands studied along this module, detailing a flange. Shall we get started? Open the part provided in the files in this example to keep track. With the piece open in the 3D environment, we click on File, Make Drawing from Part. We insert the front view and isometric view, defining its style as shaded with edges. Next, we create a section view as shown. We inserted some center marks. Done this, the next step is to insert the dimensions, keep track. Then we enter the tolerances. We add an annotation using the note command. And the breakdown is ready, quickly and with all the necessary information added. Thus we finalize this practical example, where we review the details of parts.